What is up, everyone? One of the best things about Amazon Japan is there's a lot less competition. So, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you one category and the opportunities there are within the top 100 bestsellers in that category and how easy it could be to actually get in there and sell one of your products in there. All right, so with that being said, let's jump straight into it. Alright, so welcome to the bestseller ranking page for Amazon Japan. So for those of you who don't know, basically down the left here, you'll see all the main categories for Amazon Japan. And if you click into each one, that will show you the top 100 current best-selling products for each category. So the category I'm going to go into is, I'll just show you, hobbies. Alright, so this is going to come up with the top 100 best-selling products right now for the hobbies category. And yeah, all I want to do is just kind of go through these top 100 and show you how many, I guess the level of competition that's on here, and you know how low amount of reviews there are as well. Right, so also just be aware that because it's the hobbies category, there is going to be a lot of branded stuff. A lot of trademarks and things like that, like the otaku kind of life over here in Japan is pretty huge. A lot of you know, like I don't know what's otaku in English, kind of like nerdy, I guess. Like people, there's a lot of people, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, all that kind of stuff. But so I'll skip past a lot of those things. But yeah, you also see a lot of other kind of underutilized products as well. All right, so straight off the bat, you can see that these things don't even have any reviews on them, but they're all popular brands. I think I don't personally know that many of these kind of anime brands and stuff like that, but yeah, I kind of recognize a few, but we'll just kind of skip past them. So yeah, like this is Pokemon. It's only got 12 reviews. This has only got 1 star and 1 review, and it's the 9th best-selling product for this whole category. Keep going down. This one's only got 8, but I think this is probably another popular brand as well. This one, here we go, it's only got 61 reviews, only 4 stars as well. It's a cheap product, but still it's not many reviews for the 17th best-selling product, 10 with only 2.5 stars. Yu-Gi-Oh, just 2 stars. Let's keep going through. Keep going down. So this one, it's only got 12 stars, and it's a pretty generic product, and it's the 25th, number 25 on the list. Like this thing here. What is it? UV LED resin. Let's have a quick look. It's only got 27 star reviews. And then you look at this listing, it's so simple. It's just got a couple of up close shots of that. They have got a video, congratulations, but even they haven't got much written down. Their bullet points, their title is completely under optimized. And if we look at their history, they've kept their sales history for quite a long time. They've been doing really well. That's crazy to me. Keep going down. Look at all these low reviews. What else? A lot of these, as I said, they're all branded stuff. No idea what that thing is. Let's go to the next page. That one's got 154, which is quite a lot for this category. Here we go. There's another similar thing here. Another resin kind of thing. It's only got 20 reviews. Oh, I think that might be the same brand, Paddyco, is it? Let's just double check. Oh yeah, it is too. It's the same brand, and it's another similar listing, similar quality. 72 for this one, for some grease paint. This has only got 16 reviews. It's selling for 8,000 yen. I don't know if this is a popular brand or not, a Lash Addict. But look at the quality of this page. There's nothing even on it. And that's all they've got for their photos. Let's have a look, see if they're new or not, if they've been on for a while. Okay, so they've been around for a while too. They've been selling really well since May pretty much as well. So yeah, this is just, it's pretty crazy. Let's keep going down. Oh, that's Bohemian Rhapsody. That's that same brand again, Patico. I guess that's kind of popular. But it's not exactly a very complicated product. Let's keep going through. This one's only got 50, some kind of drying gel. I'm not sure if that's a popular brand or not. Only got 63 for this stuff. I know it's cheap though, but still pretty low reviews. 55 for this. I don't even know what that is. Let's have a quick look. Floor surface. Okay. Guess it shines your floors or something like that. So this whole category, oh, there we go, I only got 33. I think this might be coming up now because it's coming into Christmas though. That's probably the reason why this is starting to show up. They'll probably get more of these coming out soon. 15, I know that's super cheap, but it's still the 74th best selling product in this category. And let's go to this last page. And yeah, there you go. Look, 61 reviews. It's still pretty cheap. It's still like, this is only tape. It's only tape. And it's all the way up here. It's got the Amazon's Choice badge. They've done a pretty good job with their listing by the looks of things. But yeah, it's only got 61 reviews, and I'm sure you get these things really cheap, so you could still make a profit on them, I think. And yeah, that's about it, really. There you go, that's only got 22 stars. This is selling 3,500 yen. This can be the last one we look at. So at least they've got a few more photos. They haven't got nothing written over here. There's nothing over here. And yeah, they've been selling for quite a while as well. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about when I mean low competition. Like there's not too much. There's not going to be too much difficulty to jump in there and compete. And like you can see by the quality of their listings as well, they haven't done anything very fancy at all for a lot of these guys that are doing. They're in the top 100. So yeah, I hope this kind of, I don't know if this kind of gets through to you, to some of the opportunities and benefits that are available from jumping into the Japan market. Yeah, that's cool. All right, and that was it. If you like this video, click the like button. And yeah, make sure you subscribe for more videos if you're interested in Amazon Japan. All right, see you.